Alright, good day my friends. How's things going? Welcome back to my video channel where I do alternative living out of a van in Vancouver, otherwise known as Van City. And this is where I spent a good 3 hours this afternoon uploading 2 videos for the coming week for you guys to check out. So, thank you very much for dropping by. Yeah, my hair looks like I'm tired, and I am! So I did a bit of shopping, got some groceries for lunch stuff, gotta make lunch. It's what, 4 o'clock, so I'm running out of time. I work at 9:30, so I'd like to get a 2-hour nap in. And what else do we got? Yeah, I don't know, we'll go see. Gotta make some lunches and we'll go from there. So if you want to see what's going on in this video, stay tuned. Okay, you know what? Amazing. It hasn't rained out today, all day. First day and the longest time that it hasn't rained in the Vancouver mainland area. They said this is the most rain that Vancouver has had in 50 years here. So like I've complained about for the past however many weeks, rain every day, and it's drives you a little nutty sometimes. I guess I don't mind it because you know what, I get to do other things, read or watch video and catch up on things. But it comes to the point where it's like, oh my god, is this gonna stop? I can't imagine what it's like living in the rainforest. So And however, we are on our way home. We're gonna close all the vents because I left the vents open to air things out today while I had the chance, dry things out, and we'll make some lunch, dinner like I say, and that's it. End of our day. Okay friends, today we are making tomorrow's breakfast, and that is tea eggs. This is loosely based off of a Chinese recipe where they call black tea eggs, but we're going to change it up a little bit. So what I did was pre-boiled eggs for 8 minutes so they would set up in leftover tea that I had from work yesterday. I had a leftover, so we added water into a pot, and what I'm going to do is add more water like this, and we're going to add 3 of these tea bags, the ice wine, so it's going to be ice wine tea eggs. Ha ha ha. Yeah, so I peeled them, threw them in there. I'm going to boil it for another 30, 40, 50 minutes, and then we're going to let it sit overnight in this tea dish, or tea egg, whatever you want to call it, liquid. So it's going to soak all the flavors of the tea in. And then with the leftover liquid, tomorrow I will make a soup out of that. So I'm using up every little tender morsel of whatever I'm making, I guess, for lack of wording. Okay, so that's it. Lunch is done. All my lunches. I only showed you the egg part. That's all I got today to show you. So anyhow, a Korean girl has told her children that in 2 years' time we want to travel for 6 months to a year, and that they'll be done school, so they'll be able to look after the house. So she had asked them that, and they kind of confirmed that yeah, they probably could do that. So it looks like one step at a time our goals are slowly being set in motion. I'm so looking forward to traveling for 6 months to a year. I'm hoping for a year, but we'll see how the money situation goes. The last time I did this was when I first started van life. I traveled for over a year, and it was totally freaking awesome. And the difference this time is I'm doing it with somebody else, so that will be very interesting aspect to change. Anyhow, we're going to end our day here, and we'll come back tomorrow and with whatever.
The next day.
Okay, my friends, so how did the eggs turn out? Let's show you that. Look at that. It's pretty dark color because I soaked everything. And look at, wow, those eggs look pretty dark, so they're going to have a lot of tangy flavor. You know, I could also do pickled eggs. I could do like vinegar and with onion or something else. Look, I still have the tea bag in there, so we'll pull the tea bag out. And again, I might use the leftover juice for a soup. Maybe we'll do a noodle soup. Maybe I will do that tomorrow for you all Anyhows, that is gonna be my works lunch stuff. You know, you could probably make this into a salad even, so wow. Pretty crazy, eh? Wow, it's getting dark in here. Let's turn on some lights. Wow, even the light's not helping. Strange. Hold on. Sorry about that, folks. Anyways, I bitched, moaned, complained about all the wet rain and mud and weather. And so I went off and bought a pair of booties. These were... price tag says $44.97 at Walmart. No. Cheap bastard me. I paid 25 bucks. They were on for clearance. So yeah, if I'm gonna do a lot of hiking around, I need a better pair of boots. So we splurged today. Actually, I've splurged a lot this year. I bought a suit jacket and dress shoes and a bunch of other crap which I haven't shown you yet. Maybe we will show you when we go to Korean Girl's Christmas party / celebration party, whatever. They don't have Christmas party because that's their busy time, so they have it in February. So that's the trick, boys and girls. And look at this damn thing. Yeah, it's a war wound from when I was in the war. Oh my god. I'm sorry, I'm just kidding. No, that was a shaving wound. That's what happens, so oh well. I'm ugly anyways, with missing teeth and crazy bad hairdo and whatever, so is what it is. Wow, you really need to fix your car there. Sounds like the brakes are seizing up. Anyhow, you know what? I'm gonna end this video here by commenting on wow. Well, you know what? The brakes are seizing up, yeah. They're probably a caliper, and they're gonna drive away. Look at this. Driving on the road, it's gonna seize up, man. Oh my god. Oh, crazy. Anyhow, where was I? You know, I talk about being kind and being awesome in all the ending of my videos, and today the definition of being awesome came up, and that was when I read one of my subscribers' comments in one of the last videos that I put up, and he replied, or he commented that, you know what, he went out, got a new solar system, a new inverter, and a new laptop. He says, so now I can get caught up on all the great Chuck videos, he says, my life is now complete, or something like that. I'm like, you know what, made me laugh and made me smile. And that's what I talk about, being awesome. You know what, I needed that today. A couple things have went not the best in the last week or two. So that one made me smile, and it made me feel great, and it made me feel awesome. So you know what, that's my challenge to the rest of you guys today. Today, go out there and say something awesome to somebody else. Tell them that, hey, you know what, you're awesome. And tell them a reason why. You know what, you're awesome because you did some good things, or you're kind, or you know what, you're nice to me, or you always inspire me. So why not? You got nothing to lose by going out there and telling somebody they're awesome or how great they are. Just one person, that's all it takes. And that's what it takes to change the world. One comment to one person. Anyhows, let's end it, boys and girls. I don't have to say be kind, be awesome, because I already gave you the challenge. So we'll see you next time, and cheers, McDonald's $1 coffee. Later, guys.